Hello, welcome to another Tater Cowgirl rodeo. Today we have a visitor. It's my sister-in-law Trudy, and I'm gonna tell you what we cooked today. So we keep it easy because we have mixed guests, omnivores and whole plant-based starch-based vegans. My sister-in-law Trudy actually likes the whole plant-based diet, so I'm not worried about her. But we also have my stepson coming and my husband, and so I keep it easy because I want to talk to my guests and not standing in the kitchen and cook. So what we do today, I show you. I got some tinkyada spaghettis, rice spaghettis, and Trader Joe's fat-free tomato marinara sauce. This will be our main course, and of course I don't show you that. You know how to do spaghetti marinara. And then I baked this morning my Guglhupf, and the recipe is on my YouTube channel. It's the banana, walnut chocolate Guglhupf bundt cake. So I made that already for dessert. And I cut up, this is a Mediterranean-ish Greek salad. I cut up tomatoes, cucumbers, sliced olives, onions, yellow bell pepper, put some parsley and chives in, and I will show you today a really cool salad dressing. It's a buttermilk tzatziki. If you know the Greek tzatziki sauce, that's kind of what we are going for today. And of course oil-free, so I hope you can use that. I never made a salad dressing on my YouTube channel, so I thought we go with that today. And we show you the McDougall garlic bread without butter. Yes, it's doable. Without butter and oil, we make garlic bread today. I went to the bakery and got some cool fresh bread, ciabatta bread. It's oil-free, has no butter or milk or anything, just salt, yeast, water, what good bread should have. And Addie starts basting the bread, and I show you with what. I had a leftover of this organic fat-free Tuscany herb dressing. And of course you can make it yourself. I just wanted to use it. You use about a third cup of balsamic vinegar. You put in Italian herb spice mixture, to your taste, salt, pepper. I would make sure oregano is in, and basil, onions, and to thicken it, you can either use some xanthan gum, maybe half a teaspoon, or what you can do is use the oil substitute. And I put the recipe underneath, the link underneath my YouTube channel. It's from Jill McKeever. The oil substitute is the same oil substitute I use to make Swabian potato salad, which will be another recipe day on this channel. But you can use that to make it a little bit oilier. But as I said, if you have Italian fat-free is the key point, dressing, you can use that to baste the garlic bread. Okay, let's get started with our buttermilk tzatziki dressing, salad dressing. So I got here half a cup soy milk, and we want to curdle it because we want to have buttermilk, so we need vinegar. You could use any vinegar. I have apple cider vinegar. I just like that the best. And it's 3 teaspoons apple cider vinegar to the soy milk. 1, 2, 3. German counting. You can baste. You can start. So just go ahead and baste all the. You can pour a little, pour a little on and dip it, maybe more dip it, like this. basted it like this. Hold on. Show you. Should soak a little. Okay? And go ahead and do. Okay, we have that one. I take a roll. And you can use a mixer for that too, you know, if you like to use hand mixers or blenders, you could use that too. You know, it will curdle immediately. So if you look at it, it's already starting to become a buttermilk. It curdles right away. What we add is about half a packet, 6 ounces of silken tofu. I had some soft silken tofu in the fridge open, so I used that one. Gives you the creamy feel. Oh, by the way, I saw that dressing on Jill McKeever's simple daily recipes. I just tweaked the spices a little bit so that they get the tzatziki flavor in it. But other than that, it's her buttermilk dressing. And I also will link to her dressing, of course. I'm not taking credit to stuff I didn't invent. But it's stupid to reinvent the wheel if somebody else has a great recipe. So I'm gonna show it here. And I use it for my kitchen. Okay, so you really try to make it really incorporate everything here, not to make it flaky. It should really be a smooth kind of dressing, and I like that hand. I do this hand blender, how you call it. I don't know the English word for that thing. I say swirl, but then everybody laughs when I say this, so it's not the right one. Okay, see how nice and thick that gets? Cool. Okay, now we need to have the spices. And I show you because I always like the colors when I put that together. So I will keep the lemon for later. I like to have a little Meyer lemon from my garden, a little flavor in it. What I have here is a teaspoon dill. No, 2 teaspoon dill, 2 teaspoon parsley. Then I have a teaspoon organic sugar. Yeah, a little bit sugar needs to go in. I have fresh, frozen garlic that's already chopped. It comes in these little packets. I can show you that too. I get that at Trader Joe's. Garlic is, Gilroy is the garlic capital of the world, so garlic is a big ingredient in all our recipes, I'm afraid. Then we have salt, that's a teaspoon. We have, what else? Onion powder, a teaspoon. And we have garlic, 2 teaspoons. Okay, see that? But this is all, and the lemon. So I'm getting that in now. All of the above. Get the garlic in. And the lemon. Make sure you don't have a seed in there. Then we mix that again. Right, put it all on. You can drizzle everything on it. Use the whole thing. That can soak really good, you know. Let it soak. And of course, try it. You know, everybody has a different taste. Some need more salt. Oh, pepper was in there too. Did I say pepper?
I don't think so.
Yeah, there's a teaspoon pepper was in there. Fresh ground. Just noticed I forgot that. Sorry. Okay. By the way, today Gilroy 5-0. Today's weight loss 50 pounds on the McDougall starch-based vegan oil-free diet. Woohoo! I started June 26th. I'm really proud of that. And the journey continues. Yeah, that's fine. It cannot be too much. Here is a little, that's a little dry here. So make sure all of the breads are nicely soaked. Yeah, here too. Okay, a little bit more on that one.
This one?
This one. Yeah, you want it nicely soaked because we have no butter on it here. That one too. Put the rest on that one in the middle. Here. Yeah. Good. Maybe a little bit here. All right. You know what? We can actually pour this whole thing out. Okay. Nice. Nicely done. So this bread, so you can put that in the sink. If I splatter it a little, otherwise it's never working in our kitchen. Okay, I put more garlic on it. It's garlic bread, remember? So we put garlic on it. Doesn't matter. And I have it on a silicone pad, if you see that, so that we don't get a sticky action. Silicone pad or aluminum foil would work too, but I don't like to work with aluminum foil. Just don't like it. But you can do what, if you like aluminum foil, you use aluminum foil. I use my silicone pad. Okay, and then I do a little parsley. Dried parsley.
Smells like garlic.
Smells good, huh? Yeah. And this goes before our guests arrive. I wait until they are here. Just before we eat. This goes under the broiler in the oven, and don't put it too high. Put it on the middle, middle height, and put the broiler on for 4 to 5 minutes. So you don't want to have it dark black. You just want it a little browned. We put that in and wait. So I will show you how it looks like once our guests are here. And I will show you how it looks like, the result. And what I do, I pile it on a little hill on a plate, and put a little bit more parsley on, and it looks really nice, brown and hot. And then we serve it right with the spaghetti. And now let's finish with our sauce. So this is, let me try that, if we forgot something, as usual. Very good. I'm gonna try it. It's very garlicky. It actually tastes like tzatziki sauce. The normal tzatziki sauce would have cubed cucumbers in it, but we do have cucumbers in our salad already, so I'm not doing that. So this will be the salad sauce for our Mediterranean salad. And I have a little, here I have a little container, and we will fill it in there. Should make just a container full. A little bit more, it's okay. Okay, you can use that in, I have a small container, we can use that. Okay, and we close it. Goes in the fridge until we need it on the table, so you can open it here. I thought it's genius because it's thicker, you know, you can really get it out. Shake it a little before you use it on the and then everybody can pour their dressing on it. So I put it in the fridge. I show you another dressing I saw at Nob Hill, and that's really good for spinach salad. It's also bought one, oil-free, but I want to share what I have here. This is blackberry, blueberry, raspberry, acai, goji, grape, and brag organic apple cider vinegar. And you can superfruit dressing and marinade. That's what it says. And I tasted it at a friend's house. It is really good with spinach salad if you have some walnuts in there and maybe some apples. It's amazing and has no fat. So I share that with you. So we have the Italian fat-free, which is store-bought. We have that one. We have our buttermilk dressing. Of course, I have the usual range dressing for the omnivores if they want it. And then I have the other one I have is that one, fig balsamic. That's also oil-free. I got that at Whole Foods. So that's a nice one too, but not for that salad. That's a sweet one for a leafy salad, I think. Or a couscous salad would work too. But our tzatziki will be just fine for our salad. So I see you when our guests are here. I will share with you when they try my stuff. And then talk to you again. Bye. Okay, I promised you I do a taste testing. It goes towards me, the camera. We do a taste testing, and I will ask everybody if they like the vegan salad dressing and the vegan garlic bread, okay? So everybody who ate garlic bread, let me know. Anybody? That's without oil. It's just with balsamico and garlic. Some kind of Italian dressing on it.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is my sister-in-law Trudy, by the way. And Mike, and it's my stepson, and Adriana, and my husband Clay. So how is the dressing from the salad?
It is good.
All right. So this is it from us today, and I wish you a good weekend, a good Martin Luther King Day. And see you again to our next Tater Cowgirl rodeo next Sunday. As they say in California, peace out. Pow.